Hello students, welcome to class 7, subject computer, chapter number 6, working with the Flash CS3. So now let's start this chapter. Powerful animation software package developed by Adobe System. Flash provides a versatile and the easy way to create the animation that consists of images, sound and video with the various effects. Flash is a vector-based program, which means that the graphic created in it can be scaled to any size without losing the quality. Flash is extremely useful for the developing highly interactive website, online advertisement, computer and the call games and the content of the various mobile device. Now let's see how to open the Flash. For that, first of all click on Start button, then All Programs, Adobe Flash CS3 Professionals. The programming screen appears. Click on the Flash file under Create a new section to open the Flash document. Timeline is a fixed window that stays on the top of every object in the workspace. It organizes and controls the content of the document over time in the frame as well as in the layers. The major components of the timeline are the layers, frames, and the playhead. It has a ruler-like strip called the frames and the field labeled as the layer 1. Setting document properties. Each time when we open the Flash, the application opens a new file with the default setting for the move the properties. We can create a new movie as we work. To set the frame rate, background color and the ruler unit, we use the following step. Create on the file, then after new, the new document dialog box is displayed. In that, select the Flash file option in the type list. Click OK. Now select the modify document and the document properties dialog box appear as shown here. To change the frame rate, specify the speed of the movie in frame per the second. By default, the frame rate is the 12 frame per second. To specify the stage size in the pixel, enter the value of width and the height in there the corresponding text boxes in the dimension section. To set the background color of the document, choose any color for the stage from the background color switch. To set the stage size to the maximum available print area, click the radio button printer and match the section. Section the unit from the drop-down list of the ruler unit. Click on OK after specifying the required option. Drawing an object and the grouping outline fill with. When we make a drawing in a Flash, it actually created the two objects, the fill and the outline. To multiply the element as the single object, we need to group them. For that, select the pencil tool and select the brown as the stroke color and fill color drawn as the stem as shown in figure here. Choose the selection tool and move the pointer in the tree trunk. A curve is displayed below the arrow. Hold down the left mouse button and drag the lines to give the proper shape. Select the pencil tool and choose the smooth mode from the options selection. Select the green as the stroke color and fill color. Draw the curves of the tree top as shown here. Select the paint bucket tool and click inside the tree top. Similarly, fill brown color in the stem. Select the selection tool. The double click on the tree top, drag the tree top over the tree trunk. Choose the selection tool and then select the tree by the dragging around the tree. Now the applying the grading fill. Gradient means filling the color in the object from the light to dark. That basically gives the shade to an object or a color formatting by the mixing of the two or the more color in the object. Select the three using a section tool. Select the paint bucket tool. Click the Fill Color drop-down arrow to get the color petals. Select the gradient, the effect and click inside the object. The gradient color fill the shape. Creating a simple text shape twin. With the shape twinning, you can convert the shape of the object into the other shape in order to create an animation in the shape twinning. You should not convert the object into symbol. For that, select the text tool T and choose the text size 44 from the main menu and select the text style bold to make it the text thick. You can also select the font size and the style from the Properties panel. Click on the text color in the Properties panel. The color petal will be displayed. Select any color of your choice. Select to change the button. Click on the Align Horizontal Center button and align the vertical center button. Close the Align panel. The next one is move the pointer at the frame 49 and right click the mouse, select and insert the keyframe option from the pop-up menu. Select the frame 1 and right click on it. Choose the break apart option. The latter break into the separate the blocks. Align the select the break apart option. Note the text get converted into shape. Similarly, click on the Insert the blank keyframe at the frame 24. Type some new text and then align the horizontal center and vertical center. Break apart two times the text in the frame 1 and the frame 49. Click anywhere between the frame 1 and the frame 24 in the timeline. Go to the Properties pane and select the shape from the Twin drop-down menu. Then click between the frame 24 and the frame 49 and again select the Shape Twin from the Twin drop-down menu. Select the Control Play option from the main menu to play the animation.